Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC client. Close Efootball, back up its save and config, then open the game's config file. Change the developer/debug flag to true and add the network overlay equals one line. Save the file. Once done, relaunch the client so the game reads the new settings. You do this because consoles rarely expose overlays, and the PC build is the only way to force the diagnostic UI into view immediately after startup. With the game running, press the overlay hotkey you configured, commonly F3 or F12. The network graph panel appears showing live ping, jitter, packet loss, and byte throughput across time. Once visible, switch the overlay to persistent mode so it remains during kickoffs and replays. This helps you watch trends instead of single spikes. You want to monitor both the server latency and local send/receive rates to distinguish server-side issues from your own connection problems. To finish, interpret the lines. Consistent high ping means routing or ISP problems, sudden packet loss points to local Wi-Fi or NAT issues, and periodic spikes can be server-side load. Make adjustments, switch to wired Ethernet, close background uploads, enable UPnP, or change DNS. If the overlay does not show, revert the config backup and relaunch, then run the game as administrator and reapply the debug flag. One troubleshooting tip. If data looks flat 0, verify you edited the correct config and that you launched the PC build rather than a streaming client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.